How to create YouTube channel the right way. What are the best settings for a YouTube channel to help you maximize your results? Today I'm going to walk you through YouTube channel creation step by step, including optimization settings most people not aware of. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola and today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel the right way, step by step, including the best optimization for your channel. With those quick steps of creation and optimization, you can quickly set your channel for maximum traffic, subscribers and views, and to be a successful foundation of your online business. While we'll move forward, you will see tips popping on the screen. Don't miss them. Those tips will help you to fully optimize your channel. And all the links for what I mentioned you will find in the description below this video. Now, without further ado, let's hop into the laptop and I will show you exactly step by step. Right now we're in youtube.com. Now when you're hopping over the icon, you will see create a channel. If you already have a channel, you will see here your channel. Because we don't have a channel, we will click create a channel. If you are watching my other videos, you know there are few things we have to set up before we actually creating our channel, like choosing a niche and a name, shooting some good photos and pictures for ourselves, thinking about design and branding, and create a YouTube channel art or a banner. If you didn't set all these things yet, I suggest you pause this video and go and watch my other video about how to set up all these things. You can see it here and also in the description below this video. Now we don't have channel, so we create new channel. You also can find this in settings, here, create a channel. So either here or there, you can click on that and it just asks for your name and you click on create a channel. Because I already signed in with my Gmail account. If you don't have, you have to create a Gmail account first. Your channel, or you see here your channel, or you can go to create your channel. It's here, and you go into settings, then you see here create a new channel. Okay, to create new channel, create a brand account. Now I suggest you will create a brand account because there's two advantages when you create a brand channel instead of personal channel. First, you can choose any name you like, and second, you can assign other people to manage your channel. Let's call it Awesome Mom and hit create. This is our new brand channel. The next step we are going to do is to create our profile picture. Click on that. And more, we just want to go, okay, you have profile picture and banner image. So we'll start with the profile picture. You just click upload and you choose any picture you want. I'll just choose this one. And now you can crop it as you like. And when you finish, you click done. Banner image. It's a channel art or banner image and you just do it very easy. Upload. Now we're going to downloads and let's say I choose this one. Mommy also channel. I do open. And now it will show you how you will see it on a mobile phone and on other devices. The biggest one is the TV. You want to make sure that everybody will see it on a mobile phone, so you can play with this. Okay, let's hit done, even if it's not very fully optimized for this. And also here, you can already upload a video watermark. So just click upload. And I don't know, we just choose this one, the same one. Doesn't matter. They say it's trying to have to find a file that's smaller. So whatever, just choosing whatever. Okay, now you can crop it too. Doesn't matter what you do, it just, just for example. And if you don't know how to make all these wonderful channel arts or logos, I have a video about it and you can find it in this video. It's very simple, it's totally free. Now you have to choose how long this watermark will be shown on your video. I like to do custom time and start after 5 seconds after the video started. Now we finished and we just click on publish. And now you can go to channel. And this is our brand new channel. This is the channel art. Here's the icon and my name. And now we'll start really optimizing our channel. Go to customize channel. And here you have a few options. You have layout, branding and basic info. So let's start with basic info. This is the channel name and description. Here's the place to write channel description. Just a few sentences about who you are, what you're making videos about. Here's the place to include your best keywords, sprinkle them around your description in a natural and readable way. Here are examples for some other descriptions. You just look around, find another descriptions, look what they saying and try to get some inspiration from there, some ideas. But it's basically very simple and easy. Just write about yourself and sprinkle your best keywords in your description. Here is the place you can add some links, but about that we will talk later. Right now you can add your email address. I suggest you add your email address. Right now let's move forward to layout. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. It's basically very simple, it's all explained. This you can do later, or if you already have some kind of trailer or intro you want to put inside for the people to know who you are or get an idea what you're doing about. You can put here your welcome video that we talked about in my other video. It's your decision, or you can just leave it empty. And also you have featured video for returning subscribers. Okay, whoever already your subscriber, when they come back, here is the place that you can put your latest video or your very popular video, the video that you want your subscribers to see when you just come to your channel. Here you can play with sections and playlists. You can add as many playlists as you want, and I encourage you to add playlist as your keywords. Let's do publish. Go to channel. Let's go to YouTube Studio, to settings, and then you have channel. Go to channel, and here you see all this basic info. You can choose your country here. And here is the place that you can put your keywords. Let's say mommy, separated by commas or separated by enter. Make sure to include the keywords relevant to your channel. Don't just spam or use popular keywords if they're not connected to what you're doing or your niche of this channel. Now let's move to advanced settings. Here you have to decide if it's channel content made for kids or not. Most of us don't make for kids. If it's something about mommy channel making some games for kids, maybe it will be. If you have some Google Ads account, this is the place you can link your account. Subscribers count, you can display it or uncheck it if you don't want it to be displayed. It's your decision. Most of us display our number of subscribers because it looks a little bit shady when you hide it. And other settings, we don't want to do that right now. Now let's go to branding. This is our watermark. You can choose here again where to put it or replace it or remove it. Let's go to feature eligibility. Okay, usually you have to verify your account. Here I can tell they already enabled many features. They enable video uploads, playlist creation. Okay, that's nice. Now other features you can enable only after phone verification. So let's do that. Text me verification code. Okay, now you have to enter your 6-digit verification code that you got. Click submit, and our channel is verified. Okay, let's continue to optimize our channel. Let's go to YouTube Studio. We are going back to our settings again, here on the left. This is our currency if we decide to monetize this channel, and let's go back to channel. Okay, so we did the basic info. For some reason it don't let us do it again. Okay, now we are enabled here and enabled here, and verification of your phone made you be enabled for videos longer than 15 minutes, videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, appealing content ID claims, default feature enabled, verify for, that's great. Okay, now let's go to upload defaults. Basic info, those you can add to every video you upload. So of course we don't want to change the title because every video have its own different title, specific title, and description. Also I will leave it empty, but you can add here, let's say you have freebie or some digital link you want to connect to each video, each and every video, or your personal info or something you want to link to each and every video. You can put it here. Visibility, this is where you decide if every video gonna be public, private or unlisted when you first upload it. I like to do it private, and then I have time to work on this video and optimize it before people can actually view it. Here gonna be your tags that you add to each and every video. I usually leave it empty, but you can put here your tag that will go to every video. So your channel name usually is the tag that goes to every and each video. You can add some other tags that you think are gonna be relevant to every video. Now here you can go to advanced settings, and this is just show you the standard YouTube license. Don't touch here. Category, you can choose whatever you want. People or blogs, usually connected to most of us, or if you making educational videos or politics or whatever you are doing, because it's a mommy channel, it's probably go good with people and blogs. Community contribution, I like to put it on because why not? Video language must be, okay, you have to decide what video language so you can get the contribution from your community, and we just do the English, United States. Now let's go to permissions. Here you can manage permissions, which means if you want somebody else to manage your account, brand account, you can do it here. Usually I don't touch this, and agreements also, there's nothing for you to touch. Click save. We are in our channel again. Hit customize channel, basic info. Here where you put your links, you just click add link, and here you can put all your social media, your website, your links to subscribe, your special link to subscribe. Here you can do that. Here you decide which link are gonna be shown and clickable on your banner art, on your watermark. So you can just choose subscribe as your watermark, and you choose the link, let's say this link, the first one, and it's gonna be clickable for people to actually hit and subscribe. You just go into your channel URL and you just add question mark sub confirmation 1. Okay, now you highlight all of this, copy, subscribe here, and you enter your new URL. Okay, now you hit publish, and it's published. It's been published. Now let's go back to our channel. And we don't have right now videos that you can actually see how it looks, but instead of the watermark, let's say we do customize channel, where people watch a video and click here, they will be prompted to subscribe to your channel, which is great. If you got some value from this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you will be notified about every new fresh content I publish here every week. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.